What is going on, FM to the FM to the FM to the FM to the FM fam? I know y'all get tired of these launch scan tool videos. I put them out when they ask me. I put them out. All right, so it is what it is. But anywho, this is not about launch. This is, damn man, I still got paint on the shirt. This is about a different brand. If y'all saw the title, y'all saw the thumbnail, y'all clicked on it, well, this is that. Okay, a different company reached out to me. They're like, Fluff, we like what you've been doing. We want to see what you think about our tool. Now, all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to simply do a quick run through, a quick review, a quick setup, a quick demo of it. I'm not even gonna hook it up to a vehicle. I'm just gonna show it. Y'all should know how to scan a vehicle. Y'all are gonna be familiar with the software if you have the other Azure versions of it. So let's get to it. Let's start unboxing it and let's see what they sent us. So here we go. Don't mind the mess. I gotta have it like this because if not, then y'all gonna see something really important and I don't want y'all to see that. So I might have just cut up the tool itself. And any knife companies out there, man, help me out. Dang. Gotta sharpen this knife every couple months, weeks. All right, so just based off of filling this in a hard case, I don't know if y'all can see that right there. Right there. AutoFix that they sent us. If y'all know about AutoFix, y'all know about AutoFix. And y'all, if y'all don't know about AutoFix, they are part of Alltel. So I guess you could say it's like a King Bullen to launch, or a Top Don to launch. I may have some codes down in the description for y'all to use for some discounts. If I meet their deadline, they will be there. If not, I will get y'all updated. But I think Amazon Prime Day coming up, so be on the lookout for that. So here we got the AutoFix scan tool. Open her up. Oh dang, this thing is tiny. That thing is tiny right there. It do look nice though. If y'all like orange, it do look kind of nice. Okay, so we have a charger with a 110 plug, not the whole like 20 different country style chargers. So we do have a normal USA or American charger. What the hell? Not sure how that was. Like that. Anyways, right here, what do we got right here? Have an Ethernet port and then the charger, which it is USB Type-C, so I do like that. And that does look like a data link port right there. How does this? Definitely don't go like that. I think it went like that. All right, it's strapped in. Oh, this thing is skinny, bro. What the heck? All right, I do like that. That is pretty amazing. It does have a camera on the back. Let's fire it up. AutoFix, your friendly consultant. And something that is pretty neat, it already comes with a screen protector. Look, please peel off this mask after application completed. Well, let's peel it off. Got an air bubble in there. Ooh, this thing is a little sharp. And it is a tablet. It is, oh, that's cool. So at the scan screen, we do have automatic selection, manual selection, VIN, info, and then we have battery voltage up there, VCI. We're gonna go manual selection. 2016 is our only option, JK Wrangler. Just kidding. Yo, I cannot get over how thin this is. This is nice. This is a little, it makes it feel like an actual tablet. And it's not a chunky boy. But anyways, hot functions. What do we got? Tire pressure monitoring system, immobilizer, battery reset, oil reset, and throttle relearn. So I'm pretty sure there are a couple add-ons you can do with this. So that is pretty cool. Diagnostics, auto scan. Let's run it through a scan. Scanning. So what do we have? We have CAN gateway. 4 fault codes. Oh, it's still scanning. All right, so PCM 2 faults, TCM 5 faults, ABS 1 fault, occupant restraints, airbag system 1 fault, 2 fault for TPMS, CAN gateway 4, HVAC, ECM or ESM, TPMS. Damn, this thing has a lot of issues. All right, so we're going to read the codes, see what codes that it has. We have fuel level sensor circuit low. Implausible, missing or transmission message. Okay, so fuel level sensor. That one's stored, that one's pending. Live data. See what our fuel level sender is reading. So we have fuel level percent, fuel level sensor. And then we can show graph merge. Oh, well, it's gonna show right here, right? Percent, 27%. We got 2.88 on the volts, which out of 5, that should be about half a tank. Maybe, I don't know. I don't deal with this. Let's graph it, see how the graphs look. Okay, it's not as laggy and glitchy and stuff like that, so I could live with it. It's pretty cool though. Cancel merging. All that good stuff. Active test. We can do fuel injectors. So this is a bidirectional scanner. Special functions again. See what we can do. Cam crank relearn, PCM, odometer, or check it. Check VIN. Emissions. Test mode. Exhaust phaser cleaning. Intake cleaning. ETC learning, code validation, oil change indicator, reset memories, and reset ECU. Now, aside from this tablet, let me go home real quick. Service, battery test, max viewer. Oh, you could do remote? Okay, that's pretty cool. I still cannot get over this. Damn. Let's check out the camera. Hit the camera right there. Allow camera to access, deny. Deny. No. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. And we do have a recorder. Oh, I just took a picture. That's great. That was kind of slow. Wait. Okay, so one thing I did notice, home, and that's gonna go to the scanner home, and then that's for the tablet home. Oh, it's over here. Okay, video right there. What are we doing? If anybody cares, resolution is gonna be 8 megapixels, and it's a 720p HD. So 8 megapixels for the camera, and then camera 720. So if you're doing multi-points for customers' vehicles, you know, you can get up in there. Hey, this is Fluffy Mechanic. I'm going over your vehicle with you today. Today you came in for a check engine light. We found that your fuel level sensor is not working properly. So I do want to advise you to get that diagnosed. This might require me to pull the actual fuel level sender out in order to manually work the level sensor on its own, get a measurement of the resistance on the sensor itself and compare it to what the computer is seeing, test the wiring, and come up with a diagnosis for your vehicle. In order to do that, we do need to get you to approve about an hour and a half of diag, and then we can continue. Y'all like that? And then, as I say in all of my videos, I will be adding additional recommendations that I did not include in this multi-point. If you could please review those. Have a good day. And then I close it out. Boom. That's your boy. Anywho, I'm gonna let y'all make y'all's assumptions. Or what? Open for what? Oh, okay. I'm gonna let y'all make y'all's decision on this based off of what I am showing y'all. I will have a link down in the description down below. And like I said, Prime Day is coming, so there will be some discounts. Also, I might be getting some discount code from the manufacturer of the tool. If y'all could please check those out. They do have a website as well, autofix.com, to purchase straight from them if you don't want to deal with autos, or if you don't want to deal with Amazon. But I would appreciate it if y'all use my links. Also, I didn't get to include that you can build your customer's information within this device. So that is a pretty neat feature as well. So you add a customer, it puts their name, phone number, license plate, vehicle information, stuff like that. So this is maybe a do it all in one type of tablet, but I still can't get over the fact that it's so skinny. I wish I was. Okay, so before we end off this video, I do want to point out these are all the services that this tool is capable of. Oil reset, electronic park brake, TPMS, battery management, brake bleed, DPF, mobilizer, injector coating, steering angle assist or steering angle sensor, suspension, throttle relearn, window, door, roof, seats, odometer, language change. I don't know why that's a special function. Headlight, change tire size. Oh, that is cool. TEC learn, ABS, SRS, cylinder, power balance, I'm guessing. I don't know. VGT learn, speedometer and PTO, clutch, trans adaptive, airbag reset, AF settings, automatic stop start, electronic water pump start, EGR, VIN coding, FRM reset, transportation mode, HV battery. That's the first I see. ACC, automatic cruise control, AC system, rain light sensor, reset control unit, CCS, ACC, somebody let me know what that is. Relative compression, HV de-energize and energization, clutch refrigerant change, or coolant and refrigerant change, sunroof initialization, resolver. Okay, so we got some EV and hybrid stuff. Sorry, I was looking off camera, but I just wanted to let y'all be aware of what this scan tool can do. Now, this isn't going to pertain to every single vehicle. Only a few are going to work per make and model, but these are its abilities, if you will. One more thing I do want to show y'all. This has a fucking light on it. Dude. Bro, that's cool. That's pretty neat. So, one thing I do need to find out is where the activation code is, but I'm not going to do that in this video and take up more of y'all's time or take up any more of my time, because I need to hit the road. So if y'all could please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notification bells on so you don't miss another upload, and most importantly, y'all have a good day. Deuce. Right there. Oxidation on the drop belt. Do a video on this. Alright, so this seal, they did not approve these. Is there sufficient pressure for them? Well, I got a whole bunch of parts right there. And then I bought this one because it was a special edition one time.